What's up, traders? It's Dynamic Trades again. So today we ended on a red day. Um, you know, it is what it is. We take red days. We just accept them and move on. So today I'm down $242. I'm gonna go over. So this is, there wasn't really too much to trade pre-market. This was the pre-market gappers, and there was a couple little opportunities, but really nothing. We have this one, SONX. Just didn't meet my real criteria to trade. You could have got this little gap at open, but pre-market, it was pretty flat. Other than where was it? Other than this move, I missed this move because I wake up later, so I got it to like here. You could have got, but it's really trading under VWAP. So it was you could have got like this little move too, but it didn't really meet my criteria that I liked. So this one was on it, and then volume was kind of light too earlier. What's the volume of this candle? 10,000. Volume on this one was 32,000, so it's kind of more light volume. I did trade this one a lot. LITM. I took a couple trades on it. Trying to scalp it. I got green, like a couple dollars on it. I think it was like 10-15 bucks. I just didn't really know. You had a lot of, you had a double top here. That was kind of risky, and as you see, it dropped after, and then it did this major dip down here. So it just wasn't breaking. It wasn't breaking really. It kind of double topped up here, and yeah, it wasn't a good day. Just in general, could have got this little breakout right here. This is what I tried trading, but it was kind of really risky right here, especially got this triple bottom right here, and it just wasn't holding nothing. It just kept bouncing, and then it had this like major gap up, and I was like, what the heck's going on? But yeah, momentum. This candle had 84,000, which isn't that much volume, but pre-market, I guess so. And this candle had 56,000 volume, and then I just kept trying to scalp it. I got like a move from here to here. I remember that, and then I got this. I bought like way up here to to predict the breakout, but ended up and I held it for this 1 minute pullback, and then automatically just went down, and I sold down here, took a loss on that. So I think I was down 300 at one point. I ended up making 60 bucks back. But it wasn't all red trades. I did a couple green trades, but just a bigger loss on red trades, which I already went over this, and my trades and stuff like that. So yeah, it was just market wasn't really moving today. SPY dropped. It might have went back up, but when I see just sat open, just dumped down, and then consolidated, and did another hard dump right here too. And yeah, see, hit lows of 363, and then it started popping up, moving closer to close. But yeah, there wasn't nothing really that exciting for me to trade, in my opinion. It was nothing really. There was a couple stocks that you could have got little moves on and stuff like that, but like Ruby, lower priced. I don't trade stocks that are usually under $1. And then this LITM, I traded. This wasn't until I didn't really like. It had really light volume. It only had 25,000 volume on it, so I was like, I'll stay away from that. Too low. And then this one, Flux, had 100k volume, which is it's a little light for me. Usually it doesn't really move that high. Too low. This one light volume too as well. Too low. Everything wasn't really gapped up enough. I try to look for stocks that are at least 10% and up and over $1, like $1.15, $1.20 usually and up. I don't really go for like under $1. And I try to look at stocks that relative volume are at least 1.5 to 2x. I mean, there's a little there's a little leeway on that. I don't necessarily have to have that, but I try to look for it. But like this one too. What is this one? Like this one, TRT. TRT. See, just it was just kind of dead. It had this little. I mean, see, like everything was just not really tradable. Um, but yeah, I mean, you know, the day's over, and gonna be back at it Monday to see how the market's doing and everything. But yeah, I mean, look at this LTIM, like had this nice jump up and then just straight down, and then pre market. I mean, you could have got this too. I did mark this. I think this was one of my green trades on it right here. I think I bought it as just 1 minute candle to make a new high, and then I got out, and then I scalped it again for this move to this move, but then I ended up falling for this false breakout here. I thought it was gonna extend because level two. I trade with level two a lot, so level two was showing a lot of buyers, but I'm pretty sure there was a hidden seller, a big hidden seller, because the tape was all green, big orders too, like 1,000, 2,000 shares, 3,000 shares, and it didn't do anything. And so I was expecting this to break out, or at least have a 1 minute pullback and then break out, but no, I didn't. So I ended up falling for this too. I think I bought at my at 355 basically for the breakout, and or down here, and then it just went boom, and then this candle, I thought it was gonna maybe do a 1 minute pullback, and just flushed all the way down to the beginning of this candle. So I was like, I'll just take my loss on it. I think I didn't wait to the bottom of the candle. I think I got out like right here or so. So this one was almost like this one was just, I don't know. It's I'm still learning and everything, so still you can't learn day trading in only like 2-3 weeks. It takes time and stuff like that. And yeah, so let's see. Like this was a nice move. This all the way up from this low from 266 all the way to 325. And then I was also looking at SPRO. I traded that yesterday. That was the green stock. But I don't know. I just really couldn't really trust it. I mean, I didn't really feel comfortable trading it. It was just, this was pre-market, so there was little movements, low momentum right here, like 12,000. And then once the open, I seen it at the open. It kind of popped up here to a high of 234, and then dumped down, and then flushed all the way to this flat bottom right here. And then it did gain some momentum, but I wasn't really watching it. It wasn't moving that fast for me, so I just stuck to LITM. And then after that, it was just that little breakout spot right there, and then it hit resistance up, or not really resistance, but 2410, a high of 2410, and then immediately fell. And that's it. And I don't think this stock ever popped back up the rest of the day, I believe. I don't think, no, it didn't. So it was just that little spot right there. So, but it just wasn't enough. It wasn't enough for me to watch. And then also, which other one was it? Yeah, but see, these are all like lower price stocks. MITQ. I think I seen this one too, but it just wasn't not enough volume for me. See, it was kind of more like, I don't know, it's just it's just not enough volume for me. So this one was kind of, I was looking at it, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna stick to something. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. I'm gonna go over my day trades, my whole week to this weekend, and I'm gonna go over what I can improve on, and different stuff, different mistakes that I'm making repeatedly, like keep making them. I kind of want to fix that, and I think I just gotta be more patient, to be honest. I think I have a lot of FOMO, fear of missing out on trades. So potentially buy them high and sell them high, or sell them lower. It's just I think I just got to be more patient, and because the beginning of the week I was good until I had that $900 loss. But I mean, I could have done something about it, but in all reality, it's I got stuck in a halt going down, and then I was smashing the sell button on my hotkeys, and nothing. It didn't sell, and then it ended up dropping like $1 or whatever it was, and I'm like, whoa, and then I'm just trying to sell. I'm selling market. I'm selling on the ass, like trying to hit anything to get out, and it just flushed all the way down on a double halt down. So, but yeah. So I'll be back Monday for another daily recap. Have a good weekend, and thank you guys for watching, and thank you for the support. Really appreciate it. Thank you guys.